'Cause I had lost my daughter due to my using when she was 10 months old. They had to take her and the kids and hide from me. But I would find recovery. I would get that chance to change my life and get to meetings and learn how to live. And when I got a little bit of recovery, I thought, well, I want to find my daughter. And an old timer basically let me know that's not how it works. Just because you change your life doesn't mean you get her back. You lost that privilege. But what you do have control over is if she's ever put back in your life, you can be a father worth finding. And that was something I hung on to. I thought the very least I could do for her if I was ever given that opportunity was to become a father worth finding. And that guided my life for quite a few years. I was a guy who went from being an auto mechanic to learning how to work with adolescents in treatment to going to UCLA. And it was in that journey that finally I would find my daughter, and the best day of my life was opening a door with this little girl who's 8.5 in her best dress, ready to meet her dad.